Everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I need to download driver at WorkForce. And your type here the driver download. Okay, and please why I'm search the official website. Okay, this here the official website Epson for epson.co.uk, and click here. Please why driver download. This here the official website Epson. I am like the official website Epson for the driver, not a virus, and driver first download and complete operating system. Okay, this here the landing page. You scroll down. If you need select your operating system and click here. This here the select your operating system for the Android, Chrome OS, and iOS, Linux for the Mac 11 new driver, Mac 11 and Mac 12, and you scroll down for the Windows, Windows 8, Windows 11, and Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows Server, Windows Vista, Windows XP. This video I need to download new Windows 11. Click select the system operating system for Windows 11 and click button go. Please wait. Landing page loading again. Okay, this here the setup product setup. This is the Epson software update. Click here, and this is the Epson software update for before the Windows 8 and after Windows 11. You click here, you support driver. If you need download driver only, click here. This is the driver scan only and driver print only. Scan page for user interface driver. This here user interface for scan, and this here the driver print only. This here the driver support for the driver Wi-Fi and driver not Wi-Fi, the cable printer. And this video you need download driver print only. Click here button download. Okay, this driver download. If you need install driver for the you printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you run your please write the finish driver download. You run as the driver and driver for the cable printer. And if you need install for the Wi-Fi, you connect the printer for the Wi-Fi. You look in the IP printer and you run as the driver. You select the Wi-Fi connect or network connect. Your input IP printer or your search IP printer. Okay, this here click next and finish finish install. If you need question, comment below. If you